Welcome back, Shop Rats. Today we've got packages. Let's watch the show intro. We'll see you in about 30 seconds and we'll get right into it. I'm Mike and this is My Car Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
Once again, the tremendous outreach and support of the channel viewers is always amazing, and I appreciate it more than you'll ever know. We have two packages, one that I actually ordered and purchased myself, but this one came from channel viewer Eric, and I appreciate it, buddy. And he had reached out a long time ago, well, not a long time ago, but a while ago, and said he had this, and that he'd dig it out and send it to me. And he reached out just recently and said, hey, I dug it out, I got it for you, give me your address and I'll get her shipped out. So it arrived actually yesterday, ahead of schedule. We thought it was going to arrive Saturday, I think, but it's all good. So let's see what we got here. Well, there we go. Okay, she's opening up there, eh? She's being kind of a ornery little thing there. And no, I'm not making fun of anybody's accent but my own, because I grew up in northern Michigan there, and that's kind of the way I talked when I grew up. So I fall back into it without even thinking about it sometimes. And then I lived in the South, so once in a while, all of a sudden you'll hear me slip into my Kentucky drawl as well. So I'm just a chameleon when it comes to accents. Oh, look at that baby. Oh yeah, that's a heavy piece. I wasn't expecting it to be quite that heavy. So what we have here is a file y'all to communicate. We have, I thought these were plastic. I didn't realize they were metal. It is the console top for stitches. So let's, I just happened to bring the console over because you think I might have known what was actually in the package. Let's take a peek. Let's get you over here and take a look-see. Ooh, shouldn't hold her like that, should I? Well, I'll be damned. It fits in there almost like it was made for it. Let's get you over here. Come on, get over here. Stop being lazy. Get up off the couch, put down your snacks and your beverages, and get over here and let's look at it. Look at that, look at that. That's awesome sauce. That's awesome sauceum. Nice piece. Thanks, Eric. I appreciate it. If you see me favoring my hand, I got bit by a hornet here just a little bit ago. I went out to the mailbox to get this package and walked over to the stairs on the front of the house and grabbed the handrail, and he was taking a nap there in the sun, and kapow! First I thought it was a yellow jacket because I'm not allergic to them, but I have severe histamine reactions to them. So I got out my old EpiPen and took a bunch of allergy meds to help keep those histamines down. But then I went back out and looked, and it was not a yellow jacket. It was a wasp, I mean. So that was good, but I'm still a little bit nervous about it. But anyway, I should be fine. Either that or the allergy medication is going to put me to sleep right here in the middle of the episode. So, not, like I said, I'm not allergic, but I have gotten bitten so many times. The doctor says I end up with a histamine storm, which makes me swell up like a big balloon. And basically, it's like an allergic reaction, only different. Okay, what do we got here? This is from Brewer's Performance again. Thanks, Wayne. Appreciate it. Wayne Brewer. Down in Ohio, in Laura, Ohio. And more. I don't know if we got any stickers this time. Probably not, because I didn't order them. Oh, we got stickers. Look at that. We got Brewer's Performance stickers coming out our ears. So this kind of, sort of, goes with this. Bet you can't guess what it is. Let's get you over here. Or let's just take this over to you. So what we got is the shifter handles for my pistol grip shifter, which Which way does it go? Like that? Probably like that. And hopefully you can see all of that. Just plastic ones, and I didn't need anything fancy. I just wanted something cheap and dirty. So let's get the shifter, which I just happened to bring that over also. And we'll kind of stick that on there. I'm not going to put the screws in it right now, but there we go. Not quite fitting in there. There we go. Okay, good enough. So this, obviously, like that, and there's a boot, and this unit needs to be polished up a little bit. Obviously, it doesn't want to stay. I don't know why. It's being ornery, eh? Slip that little bugger down in there. There she goes. Okay, let's bring you over there. This still has the original pattern on the top. It's not quite squeezing in all the way. We'll have to do a little checking on that, but it looks like a real pistol grip now. You know, some guys would say, well, you need to get the really expensive ones, or the carbon fiber ones, or the wood ones, or, well, maybe someday I'll make a set, but right now I'm just happy that I got something. But this, she needs a cleanup. But let's go set the console with its top and the shifter in the car. If I still have the transmission tail shaft in there. I'm not sure I do. We'll see. Unfortunately, I did take the tail shaft out, but that's kind of sort of what it's going to look like right there. So that's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Yeah, I took the tail shaft out because in the last episode I was modifying that, and I haven't gotten back to it. In fact, I haven't been on here for 2 weeks. This is why I get ahead on episodes, because sometimes life just happens and I'm not able to film. I've said it before. I'll say it again. Our channel viewers are the best. Thanks, Eric. That's one, in my opinion, one huge bite in stitches. Now, obviously, I don't need this part for a while, but it's good to have it, because once I get that floor piece done, I can put the shifter in and get the boot on there and make sure everything is lining up like it should. And, you know, well, I just quite frankly couldn't stand having a pistol grip shifter and not having the handles, so that was more of an impulsive buy, just because I just think it looks so cool. Someday I may carve a set of wood ones, as I mentioned, but for now I've got these and I can use these as a pattern. So I've got to pick up all the polishing stuff. Years ago, my buddy and I had shared all of that stuff, and I was working out of his shop, and I just gave him everything I had. So I need to go, and that was a long time ago, so I need to just go and stock up on all the metal polishing stuff, but I don't have a metal polishing motor, so I'm going to run over to the Harbor Freight one of these days when cash loosens up a bit and pick some of that up as well. So one of these days we'll make a trip, excuse me, and get that done. All right. Not anything exciting today, but I'm keeping the shop closed up for a while here because it's pretty warm out. And I just wanted to get out here and share this with you. I love opening packages. I love it when you guys send me stuff like this, and it's much appreciated, and there aren't words to express my gratefulness to you. All right, that'll do it. We're over on the Face Thing, Instant Grandma. She loves us. She brings us cookies and stuff. We're here on the You Thing, of course, so like, subscribe, hit the bell, all of that stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Whoa!